Welcome back, friends. How you doing? I know it's Wednesday, okay, no panic, but my regular upload is gonna be tomorrow. But it's something different, something unusual, something very special. And I can't miss Easter this year, so I wanted to share with you two recipes which I really love. And hopefully, if not this Easter, maybe for the summer, you gather some of the ingredients and you make them at home. Okay, boys and girls, so this cocktail is quite interesting. It's my creations, and I don't expect all of you to have these ingredients instantly for Easter. However, I need to share them, so they're here, you can watch them anytime, even if not this Easter, maybe next year, who knows. But we're gonna do two cocktails, we're gonna make it in the same time, because they're served in a very special vessel. And of course, both of them have all these nuance of Easter, of chocolate and sweet flavors. Okay, so the first cocktail is with a Rum Cocktails coffee infused rum, 111 proof. It's a rum, no liqueur, 111 proof. So bear in mind this. Then we have Giffard, we have Piment d'Espelette, which is fantastic, a tiny spice liqueur, okay, from Giffard. Then we have Bicerini, one of the best chocolate liqueur, Italian liqueur. If you never tried, you're missing a lot. So you have to get this one and try it some point, definitely. And finally, we have creamy coconut milk. For the second cocktail, we're using absolute vanilla vodka. Use any vanilla vodka. Amaretto Disaronno Velvet, which is a creamy version of the Amaretto. Frangelico hazelnut liqueur, almond milk, and a cinnamon syrup. So, without further ado, and waste too much time, because we have two cocktails to do, let's start making. So let's start with the first cocktail. We need shakers. The second cocktail is gonna be blended, so I'm gonna put my blender here and I'm just gonna build them up. The recipes and everything is gonna be down in the description. Nothing's gonna come on the screen this time, but we're doing two in the same time, okay? So first one, my Easter bunny, okay? I call it the Easter bunny. You can call anything. It's as I mentioned, recipes which I created for myself to enjoy on Easter, so they don't have really officially name. Maybe one thing for you, leave me a comment. Let's give him a name, okay? But let's start with Easter bunny. So the Easter bunny, it's a fairly easy cocktail, okay? We have 30 ml of the Rum Cocktails coffee infused rum. Then we have 20 ml of the Espelette Giffard, which is, as I mentioned, a little bit of spice kick coming from it, so it's just 20 ml. And finally, to bring this sweetness to the cocktail and the real Easter vibe, oh, that's just delicious. We have 30 ml of Bicerini chocolate liqueur, and look at that. It's a real chocolate, family-run business, a recipe for many years, unbelievable. So this is your spirits, and of course, as I mentioned, we have the coconut creamy milk. So we're gonna go with 60 ml of the creamy milk. And this is it. This is gonna be shaken. For the moment, I'm just gonna leave it here. Now I need a new jigger, and let's start building the second one. The second one is the egg hunt. I call it like that, egg hunt, and you'll see why. So we start with absolute vanilla or any vanilla vodka you can use. So we go with 30 ml of the absolute vanilla. Now remember, this is blended cocktail, okay? You can make it with a shaker, you can shake it, but I do suggest to follow the recipe. It's much better. Then we're gonna move to Amaretto Disaronno Velvet. Oh, that's just beautiful. Another 30 ml of the Amaretto Disaronno Velvet. Very nice. Very, very nice. I love it. Frangelico liqueur, it's a hazelnut liqueur, we can't go without that. Just 15 ml or half an ounce of the Frangelico. Beautiful. Where is my... I need that. Don't make mess on the bar. Then we have almond milk. This is gonna be 60 ml again. Beauty. And 10 ml of cinnamon syrup. Wonderful, everything is ready. So when I'll blend this first and shake the other one, and then we're going to serve the cocktails. So, of course, you need to blend it with ice. So let's grab my ice. It'll be really like a frozen drink. And of course, I'm gonna shake this. This is gonna be served straight up, okay? So the Easter bunny is gonna be served straight up. The egg hunt is gonna be served blended, so it's gonna be kind of a frozen. Let's close this. Wonderful. So I'm gonna blend first this. And now let's shake the other one. All right. Right, our Easter bunny is ready. Let's leave the shaker on the side and we're gonna serve it. And this is our vessel today, a Easter bunny. It's called Easter bunny. So if you don't have Easter bunny, serve in the glass. But if you have one, make the effort, it's worth it. Get your funnel, put in the bunny ears, get your strainer on the shaker, and let's serve the cocktail. Slowly pour inside in the Easter bunny. Because it's cold, this is gonna tighten up the chocolate, so your Easter bunny is not gonna melt like you may be expecting. But of course, try to not touch too much the bunny. Just use a straw to drink it. So here we go. And I'm gonna pop a straw inside the yellow one. Ah, wonderful. Our Easter bunny is ready. The other cocktail is served, it's blend, sorry, and it's gonna be served because it's egg hunt. It's gonna be served in an Easter egg. Simple as that. Again, if you don't have, you have Easter eggs, but if you don't want to go through all this thing, make sure you serve it in a glass, of course. I will serve in my Easter egg. I'm gonna fill it up. Wonderful. Now this is a very big egg. I didn't realize when I got the egg, I should have get smaller. So basically I can fit here 2 cocktails, but I did only one, just to give you the idea. Anyway, you get the idea. So I'm gonna drop some more ice inside, just to keep it cold, so the chocolate stay cold. And I'm gonna top it up with a cream. And of course, I'm gonna garnish with a lovely, what they call waffle rolls, yeah, and some wonderful cookies and cream Easter eggs. There you go. Let's just put some more cream here. Beautiful. And here we go, my friends. We have the egg hunt and the Easter bunny. Now, egg hunt, I like the name, but we can change it. Easter bunny, I just call it like that because it's surfing bunny, but I don't have name. So if you have a name, make sure you drop a comment, down below. Leave me some comment, give me idea. I don't know, we may find another better name than just call Easter Bunny. Alright? And if you're new to the channel, don't forget you can always subscribe so you can get some new recipes, cocktail books, reviews, homemade ingredients, and everything around the bartending, mixology, and making drinks at home. For everybody else who are supporting the channel all the time, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, sharing, and commenting, of course. And as always, enjoy your Easter. Have fun with the family. I hope the weather is fantastic so you can spend time outside. And I'll see you tomorrow with a very interesting video. But until then, as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.